Hello. Well, look, I mentioned before that, hey, it's time to get rid of the Z9, Z9, and it is gone. It's time to now, I guess, discuss what I replaced it with. So basically, given that the Z9 was just too big, too cumbersome, I have replaced it with the Z8. Yes, that's right. We've picked up a Z8 in as a kind of trade-in replacement, and I'm just so much happier with the size and weight of this thing, and I can actually put it in my backpack and carry it with lenses. And I could even bring like another camera like the Z6 III or the Z7. So basically, yeah, that's it. I am going to now, let's see, so we'll we'll talk a little bit about the Z8 and clean up this office. This is an absolute mess. Like, it's a disaster zone here. Like, all this stuff here. I've got to clean it all up and change the office here. So, yeah, basically going to do a dual setup, focus more on streaming, do the video stuff. I'm still going to continue doing that, and it's great marketing and promotion for some of the stuff that we've got coming up. Still considering what to do with video games, whether to actually maybe push into that area and push in towards like premium storytelling. I've got still friends that are involved, but it would be interesting to touch base with them, see what they want to do. And yeah, what else? That's it for now. It's pretty much, we're going to finish up this refurbishment of the studio and give it a break. So this is the 2000. I'll go through the 2025 setup once it's finished sometime next week. But I think it's about time to clean this place up. And hello, here we are back in the office, and we kind of moved everything around. I've set things up so they're a little bit more ergonomic. We're gonna put the camera here. So we're gonna have like a view like this for recording, and also move the light over. I've set up the new computer with a Mac Mini. So I've got an M4 Mini Pro. I know I wasn't gonna get one, but I needed to simplify the whole system that I've got. The desk was a mess with the laptop. I wanted to just have a bigger screen. I couldn't put the screen on. So we've just done that up for the studio and got all that working. We got all the lenses I actually took out the Mega DAP also. I don't expect I'm going to have any Sony lenses anytime soon. The actual computer setup, let me just show you here what it looks like. I've got basically, let's see, we've got the two dual screen mic up here now, a little bit different. So it should be a lot more streamlined. I do have the iPad here, which I'm going to use as kind of like a Teams call. I found that Teams is absolutely, it's horrendous on Mac. It's really bad. So we've got it set up. I'm going to do a lot more streaming now. I've got this one camera here set up. I want to focus on that. I'm going to do the streaming stuff. Got the two screens. And also have the kind of the chat videos. I've got a little setup here. I've moved a whole stack of stuff out of the office here. I've moved like one shelf with all of these filters and like a security system setup that I've got installed now, and all this extra stuff that I just didn't really need, and it was using up space. I had a whole table that was meant to be just for charging batteries, but I just put it on the floor here, and I don't really use half the stuff for it anyway. So the stuff that I don't use, I put it away in a box. Now that we've got the Z8, I'm not even really using now that I've got this, the Z6 III, I'm not really using the monitor recording. I might use it with a little connector for the Z8, possibly. We'll see how that goes, but I definitely prefer the Z6 III, much lighter for handheld stuff that I'm doing here. I might get a little hand grip also. Actually, I should get that hand grip out of the boxes and use it here. Just a lot more practical than holding this thing with my hand like this. But yeah, so that's it, the setup. I've got this little stream deck also. I've got this unit, which I'm going to be using for streaming once I get it set up. There's still a little bit more work to do, but I'm going to have to do that a bit later. Just got like so much client work, and I had a leak in the bottom floor, which was nuts. So that really messed things up, but I'll do a separate video on that. Actually, good support from the builder. We had and plumbers, so all under warranty. But yeah, that's it. Moved everything around, and now we're good to continue with our schedule of videos on Dev Savara and on the vlog. Good to see you. I look forward to seeing you again. Thanks for just catching up. See ya.